Hello and welcome to our comprehensive walkthrough of the asTech All-in-One, the device that's redefining automotive repair technology. This device will significantly reduce cycle time, leading to direct cost and time savings. Its efficiency will make sure technicians can complete more tasks in less time, all while maintaining high quality. Let's explore its features, demonstrating how this device will completely change your shop's workflow. First, we'll unbox it. We have two key components here. The all-in-one tablet, your primary interface that's not only sleek but easy to use and also very versatile. It allows web browsing and app downloads from the Play Store, ensuring service information is always at your fingertips. The Link device makes sure that you get all the vehicle's information accurately and quickly. Getting your car hooked up is very simple with the all-in-one device. The Link device plugs into your vehicle's OBD2 port and talks to the tablet, creating a smooth connection, while the all-in-one tablet only needs to be connected to Wi-Fi and signed into the all-in-one app. After you've logged into the app, everything you need is right there on the home screen with a dashboard full of all the diagnostic tools. Here you'll find everything including service functions, reports, and more arranged for easy navigation. Need to do a scan? Just tap the big blue asTech button to get into the asTech app, where you can see your shop screen view to handle all of your scan requests. With both remote and local scanning capabilities, the all-in-one allows you to connect to a car parked in your shop or access asTech's remote diagnostic network. Thanks to Autoo, securing direct access to OEM-protected systems like Stellantis and FCA vehicles is built right into the device. This feature streamlines the authorization process, ensuring the asTech device can perform diagnostics and calibrations without complication. Here's where our diagnostic tool really stands out. Capable of handling many vehicle brands, it offers both remote OEM and OEM-compatible scans. These scans are comprehensive, ensuring that you have accurate diagnostics backed by asTech's expertise. The screen displays detailed diagnostics, covering everything from engine performance to electronic systems on a topology map. If the device picks up any trouble codes, it will highlight critical areas, offer detailed descriptions, and even suggest potential fixes, allowing you to understand exactly what the issues are. This level of detail makes figuring out what's wrong and how to fix it really easy. Once you're done with diagnostics, the all-in-one generates a detailed report with Aztec Insights. By harnessing generative AI, it delivers customized collision repair recommendations, turning diagnostic data into actionable insights. This advanced feature supports informed decision-making for each repair job, offering tailored advice for optimal vehicle care. For ADAS calibrations, the all-in-one, empowered by ADAS Think technology, uses the vehicle's VIN, build sheet data, CCC integrated estimate, and a proprietary data set to determine the precise OEM calibrations and safety operations needed for that vehicle. Paired with support for both static and dynamic calibrations and programming capabilities for modern protocols, it ensures you're equipped for any calibration or programming task. The all-in-one has a live chat feature. This means you can instantly connect with asTech's support team for guidance during any scan. This feature ensures that you get the help you need right when you need it. Beyond diagnostics, this tool will increase your shop's efficiency. Its intuitive features streamline both local and remote tasks, simplifying your workflow. The asTech device stands out as a holistic solution for the automotive repair sector, offering more than just diagnostics. To learn more about its features, please visit our website or contact customer service today.